Alright guys, so today we're going to take a look at multiplying a two-digit number by a two-digit number. I'm going to multiply 32 times 14. First thing you always want to do is you want to start in the ones place on the bottom number. That is a 4. First thing I'm going to do is multiply that 4 by the ones place in the top number, which is 2. So 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, that one's easy. 4 times 2 is 8. I'm now done with 2. Now I'm just going to multiply 4 times 3. What is 4 times 3? 12. So I'm going to go ahead and put 12 right there. I am now done with the ones place, so I'm going to cross it off. But watch how I do this. I'm not working in the ones place anymore. Now I'm going to be working in the tens place. So I have to make sure when I move over one place value that I put a 0 here. 0 is always my place value holder because I'm not multiplying the top numbers by 1. I'm really thinking of it as by 10. Okay? That's why I put the 0. If I'm working in the second place value here, then I need to make sure that I put a 0 here. And now let's multiply just like I did with 4. 1 times 2 is 2. And then 1 times 3 is 3. My last step is I just add up these numbers and I will get my product. 448 is my product.